Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily add another city to your Android to your application Weather. So for doing this you just need to open Weather and here you will find your city. So just click on these three lines you see here on the laptop and just here you will see plus. So just click on it and now you just need to add the name of city of location you want to add to Weather. So just write London. So London, England. So for example, at London, Texas in United States. So just wait some time after it will load your Weather to your phone, enter your program. It may take some time, or we will try to add another city, for example Dubai. United Emirates. So just wait, here you can see that we successfully add. Just click here, add to start page. Added successfully. Added the city to start page successfully. View on start page, and here you can see that we can also view Weather in Dubai. And how you ask how we can switch in these two different cities. So just turning to left, here you can see our first city, and turning to right we will see our second city. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.